And I'm here with this bitch already dusty. Damn. Fuck. Already dusty, my boys? Didn't even open your ass yet. Shit. Anyway.
RNSC presents Unboxing with Stonemancy.
What is up, guys? It's your boy. If you don't know, you shoulda knew. Stonemancy or Stony, whatever you want to call me. We back with another unboxing video. And my boys, I got something special for y'all. I am back with another PlayStation product. We are here with the PlayStation camera. Yeah, if you can see the price tag, about 60 bucks for this shit. And it better work too. Actually, I ain't gonna take the shit off. Okay. And if you're wondering why I got this, my boys, is well, who doesn't? Let me rephrase. Who doesn't like live streaming when you're having when you can film a sex tape as well? Like, what the fuck? I'm gonna edit that out. And yeah. But anyway, let's open this motherfucker. Of course, it's fucking tape, and I got no knives. What I got? Hold up. I got, if y'all can see, all right, right there. That's I got. But I don't know how this is gonna work, but we gonna get it. We gonna get popping. Bet. All right. I'm gonna poke right in the, right there. Right. Yeah. Get right. Mother. Nah, I don't want to scratch the motherfucking. Please.
12 seconds later.
Okay. Ooh, got that GameStop smell, my boys. All right, yo. Slide it out just like that. All right. Shit. Instructions. We don't read. Well, I'm gonna have to read them later, but anyway. So much shit. Really? Hold on. All right. Ooh. Okay. So this is the shit out. God damn it. Okay. Out the shit. It's falling out the box. I'm gonna say this shit right here is to hold it up and you know, put it where you need to put it. So we'll put that there, and just slide this out. Pause. Loud as a mother. God. They really gonna make me do all this, my boy. Okay, I see you. PlayStation, Sony, I see you. All right. The fuck? Oh, okay, right here. And I'm sorry if you're seeing all the double chin, my boys. All right. Listen, my guys. Listen. I'm sorry. All right. One momento. Shit! Alright. We got it. Ooh. Alright. Alright. Here's the camera itself. Sorry about the glare from my window. It's sunny outside today. What do they say on the side? Got the symbol shit on the side. Where did I throw the... Hold up. Let's read some of the features. Yeah, your boy ain't wearing a hat today. He got the hoodie on. Discover new ways to play and share. Features 3D depth sensing technology that accurately tracks your body. Ooh, what? You know what I'm doing with it? Nah, I'm kidding. Okay, we'll stop. As well as DualShock 4 and PlayStation Move controllers. Broadcast yourself and play by adding picture-in-picture of yourself in gameplay live streams. And that right there answers the question of why I bought this motherfucker. So anyway, create and share narrated game walkthroughs featuring HD video and voice chat via phone. I repeat, phone. Built-in microphone. Damn, what? What if I already got a microphone? We'll figure it out later. Log in and navigate your PS4 system hands-free with facial recognition and voice command. Okay, cool. Alright, well, Okay, well, my boys, that was, Sony's PlayStation camera. Unboxing. Part dose. This has been your host, Spazzy. As always, stay safe, stay real, and most of all, keep it 100. Peace.